Hi, thank you for watching the Science of Sales video. In this video, we're going to show you how your mind plays tricks on you and how you can overcome it. Our mind is a very powerful weapon. Make full use of it. It will bring you to the sky. Just like Top Gun Maverick bring you to the sky. If you didn't make full use of it and you allow it to control your action, you will have a mediocre result. Do you agree with me that your mind speaks to you every single day, every single minute, every single second? It will have a certain conversation with you based on your past experiences, teachings, learnings, and observation. For example, as a salesperson, what comes into your mind when you are preparing to make your first call of the day? Is there a little voice telling you maybe 3 minutes later? Or maybe have a cup of coffee first? Or maybe the buyer is not free at this time? Or do you come from another space that the first call is excited, it gets you going, it gets your engine rolling, and you are ready to fly? With this difference of mindset, the result can be far apart. Maybe so far that a herd of elephants can walk through. Or even worse, you have never ever crossed the boundary of making a 5-figure in a day. So you will never believe that it can be done. But it has been done before, making $60,000 in 2 hours. When you do not believe, your mind set a certain boundaries, and that boundary drives a certain action, and that action determines your results. I'm going to use my cycling journey as an analogy. Okay, in this journey, you will see the mind limits my performance, and when I expand that mind, the performance changed tremendously. I started cycling in January 2022. When I first started cycling, I was going at about 19 km per hour. It's pretty fast. I knew it's fast because I knew if I knock someone, that person is going to hurt pretty badly. After my first ride, I was invited by my primary schoolmate. Can you imagine that? We have known each other for 30 years? Pretty long time. So he invited me to cycle with his group, and they were going at 25 kilometers per hour. I was panting throughout, but I managed to keep up. But that night, my horizon expanded. I knew now that 25 km per hour is the benchmark. It is not my 19 km per hour in the beginning. So in sales, it is the same thing. When you achieve a 5-figure sum in a day, your mind expanded. You will never go back to generating 5-figure in 1 month. I'll never go back to cycling at 19 km per hour. That's slow. Can you imagine? I was that slow when I first started. And that cycling story doesn't end here. I was invited by another group of friends, pretty fast, badass friends. They were cycling at 28 km per hour. And I was struggling, but they were chatting away, smiling and laughing. I couldn't smile at all. Looking at how they cycled that day, I suspected they can do over 30 km per hour with no effort. But because of me, they are cycling at 28 km per hour just to accommodate my slow speed. That ride also allows me to understood that my tool is wrong. I was using a bicycle that cannot go beyond 30 km per hour. In sales, it is the same. Are you using the wrong strategy? Are you using the wrong tools, the wrong mindset, the wrong positioning, or even the wrong product? And after changing my tool, I am able to catch up and go at a faster speed, more than 30 km per hour. So to create extraordinary result, the first thing is to expand your mind. Do not think that it is impossible because someone else out there has done it before. It is possible. Then you got to change your strategies, change your tools, improve your ability, your competency level in order to achieve that result. Do not be contented at where you are because you can do ever more. So if you are going for extraordinary result, if you are going to break that limit that you set for yourself, you got to push yourself. You got to go out there, go out of your comfort zone to push yourself. So the thing that you need to do, expand your mind, change your strategy, improve your ability. Consistently upgrade what you have here One of the ways to do it is to subscribe to this channel so you can continue to learn from my new videos to upgrade your ability. Thank you for watching the Science of Sales video. I see you the next time. Bye bye.